the red hot. Find the red hot part in it. There we go. It's got a red hot signature right in the middle of that, whatever that is. So that's not a bug out of focus. That is not a bug. That seems to be hovering right up in the clouds. This is focused to infinity, this camera. And this is absolutely got a red hot signature right in the middle of it. This is not an out of focus bug. You'll probably see an out of focus bug. Look at it, it's gliding. Wow. There's another little one that just went by it. What is that? Whoa. That is incredible. That is, wow, that's a real incredible red hot glowing. Gee whiz. What is that? That's incredible. That is not a bug. That is not a plane. That is not a jet, helicopter, or anything. See, there's an out of focus thing just there, just went past. But that is not a bug. That is incredible. Oh my gosh. I've never seen any, oh there we go, anything like that at all. Wow.